Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Aticlix and you're wondering maybe, is this a legitimate website? Can you really earn extra cash from just doing some online activities, all right? Or is this a big waste of time, all right? At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, I'll send you my favorite strategy if you just click the link below. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different websites all over the internet, right? All sorts of different models. Some of them are great, some of them are so-so, some of them are big waste of time and you won't be able to make, really any money. Let's see what Aticlix is all about and whether you should be investing some of your time into this. All right, now Aticlix is basically what's called a GPT website. All right, get paid to do something on the actual website, and there are a lot of websites like this. I've reviewed quite a few of them, and you can do a few things. Right, you can fill out surveys, you can complete offers, you can refer your friends and family. There are a few competitions, you can watch ads, right, and there are some additional bonuses as well. Okay, now they pay out in a few different ways: Perfect Money, Payer, Skrill, and AirTM and Faucet Pay as well. So they do pay people all over the world. Right now, if you want to get started on this, all you do is you just register right here. It's very easy. Your name, your email address, some details about you, and then you can log in and get access to all of this stuff, the high-paying surveys and the completed the offers that you can download. Okay, now here's a thing though that I do want to mention that I think is a red flag about Aticlix, is that it says earn up to $20 from surveys and offers every day. Okay, now this statement right here is extremely misleading, all right? Because the truth is that with a website like this, unfortunately, it is impossible for you to earn up to $20 plus for just filling out surveys and downloading offers. Okay, you can't do that, right? Because unfortunately, a lot of the survey companies that they work with, which are a lot of very large third-party survey companies, CPX Research, InBrain, things like that, they don't pay that much. They only pay between 10 cents and $1 per survey, right? And unfortunately, you can't sit there and fill out 100 surveys a day. That's not how survey filling works, right? The other thing is that, yes, they have offers that you can download through the offer walls, which a lot of GPT websites have as well. But a lot of these offers takes a little bit of time, right? So some of them will take you a few weeks to complete because some of them are games you have to download and you have to play up to level 50, level 100 before they reward you with whatever rewards they're going to reward you with. It could be $3 worth in rewards, $5 worth in rewards, $10 worth in rewards, but it takes you so long, right? So it says every day. That's a keyword right here, right? Well, you're never going to be able to do it because some of these offers take you more than a few days in order for you to complete. Okay. Now with the ads, the way it works is you can click on the ads, right, which is great, and you can watch them. But just understand that these ads only pay you 0.002 of a dollar for 30 seconds of watching that ad. Okay. Now if you do the math on that, that's 1/5 of a cent. Okay. So that's not even 1 cent. That's 1/5 of a cent. That means that you have to watch 5 of these ads in order to make 1 cent. Think about that for a second, right? That's very, very time consuming. And the thing that is a little bit annoying with these ads, even though it's cool, I mean, you just watch them and you get free money, right? Well, not free money, but you get paid for it. The problem is that you can't click off that particular ad. So when you're watching the ad, you have to kind of stay on the ad the whole time for 30 seconds, let it play, and then you get credited 0.002 for that particular ad. But you can't click away from your screen, so you actually have to be really engaged. Now, that is very time consuming, okay? That means you really have to sit there and watch these ads, which kind of sucks because it pays so little, right? If you do the math, 30 seconds per ad, it takes you a little bit of time to click around and stuff like that. So at least 45 seconds to a minute for every single ad that you watch. That means it's going to take you 5 minutes in order to make 1 cent. If you do the math on that, how long is it going to take you to make $10? It's going to take you weeks, okay? It's going to take you just a very, very, very long time, right? Now, you can also take part in some contests as well if you want to, and you can get some additional coins and bonuses and things like that. And the interesting thing about Aticlix is they've got the basic membership is called the standard membership, and it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. But they have 3 other levels. They have the silver, the gold, and the ultimate level. All right. So the silver level is $8 a year. The golden level is $125 a year, and the ultimate level is $680 a year. Now, I do want to mention that I probably wouldn't consider upgrading into any of these packages because even though they allow you to make a little bit more. It's ridiculously little how much more you can make. Okay, so for example, if you bought the ultimate package at 680, I would be surprised if you can even break even on that in 1 year. It's going to take you a very, very long time. Okay, now here's the thing that I also want to say. You see how it says earn up to $20 plus from surveys and offers every day? If you actually log in and you look at the reward section or the leaderboard section, you'll see that their top users on this website globally only earn between $1 and $2 per day. Okay, so I don't know why they've got this statement right here that says you can earn up to $20 plus per day, you know, surveys per day, because most of their top users only earn $1 to $2 a day. So if that's the case, then where are they getting this number from? Extremely misleading. Okay, so you also have to remember that these are the top people in the world. That means these people that are earning $1 or $2 a day, they're putting in like a lot of hours, man. Some of them are putting in like 8, 9, 10, 12 hours a day on this website, filling out surveys, downloading offers, watching ads. I mean, ask yourself this question: do you think that you can put in 10 hours a day filling out surveys and watching ads and stuff like that? That's more than a full-time job, and you're only making $1 to $2 a day. That is scary little. Okay, so a couple of things about this website, right? So first of all, this is a typical GPT website, right? It's free, it's global, which I think is great, all right? But I think it's very misleading because it makes you think that you can make quite a lot of money here without doing that much, right? When the truth is that you can't really make that much. And you know, again, you can see from their user base that they're only really making $1 to $2 a day. Now, who is this for? Okay, so the thing that I like though, it's free, all right, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. So what I would say is that if you're in a country where $1 or $2 is life-changing for you, because $1 or $2 a day, what is that? That's only like $30 to $60 a month, right? And you're working on this like full time, 8 to 12 hours a day. I mean, that is crazy, right? So if you live in a country where that's life-changing income for you, then it's something that you can check out, all right? Aticlix.net. But if you live in a country where $1 or $2 a day is not going to even scratch the surface for you, right? It's just like, that's going to pay off your internet bill, and that's pretty much it. It's not going to feed you. You can't travel. You can't retire. You know, you can't have a good time. You know, you can't really enjoy life. Then I highly recommend that you don't waste time on a website like this, right? Most GPT websites are like this. They aren't designed to pay you that much money because by design, surveys, offer walls, and watching ads don't really pay out that much money. They can't because of the way the business model works, okay? So I would say that for the majority of people, you know, if you're watching this video right now, don't waste your time on GPT websites, right? There are a lot of other much better ways to make money, but it is free and you can make a little bit of money if that's what you want to do. Completely up to you, okay? But if you're watching this video right now and you're like, well, Aaron, I want to really make, you know, a lot more income than this, you know, $1 to $2 a day, it's not worth your time, right? I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of business models, different courses, strategies, websites on this channel, and out of all of them, there's one model where I think an absolute beginner can go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month minimum, and even more. So that's life-changing income, right? So if that kind of thing interests you, click the link below, and I'll send you my free masterclass that's going to show you exactly how to do that if you want. All right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Aticlix. All the best to you, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.